can execute. Tadonai, Takanai, Alada Raise for Nifrai, Guban Alada Monse Raise Gobu Kaunanai, Monses Sorjam Nanai, the name Monset Shafsa Raise Monai, Kunai di Tamana Donai, Monse, Farjanao, Monse Rights are Odika Kadam. When rights are Odika Golana Nisho, Zumadonai, Donai Montaiko, Zondoni Dino Tandum. दा बेटा सैबो मोनथाया जोंनि ओरैनो बिनाय नङा बे मोनथाया बर' माहारियारि फरायसाफोर आरो जोंनि फ्रन्टाल अर्गानाइजेशनफोरनि थाखाय जोंनि सेल्फ बेनिफिटनि थाखाय नङा बे डिमान्डआ जोंनि फैबाय थानाय जोंनि फंबाय बिनानाव जोंनि उन्दै उन्दै गथ'फोर जोंनि बर' रायजो राजाफोरनि थाखाय जों डिमान्ड खालामदों जों जि नुदों जोंनि बर'फोरनि फिउचारा दिनै खोमसि बे जोंजे खेमसे नङा खेमनै नङा खेमथाम नङा जोंनो मोनसे एकर्ड खालामबाय जोंनो बर'फोरनो भारत सरकार आसाम सरकारा नाथाय जोंनि लं स्टेन्डिं डिमान्ड आलादा रायजो सेपारेट स्टेटखौ मालाबाबो होफाङाखै बिथांमोना आलादा रायजो सेपारेट स्टेटनि अनगायै दिनै फिसा फिसा काउन्सिलसो होनानै जोंखौ फुस्लायदों बे फिसा फिसा काउन्सिल होनायाव जोंनि बर' रायजो राजाफ्रा गोजोननाय गैया जोंनि लाइमोनफ्रा गोजोननाय गैया मानो होनबा दिनै जोंनि जि मोनसे डिमान्ड बे डिमान्डआ जोङो जोनोमनिफ्राय मोनखानांगौ भारतनि संबिधान बायदि जोंहा मोनखानांगौ नाथाय बे मोनखानांगौखौनो जोंनि बर' दैदेनगिरि जोंनि बर'नि बिबानगिरिफोरखौ दिनै गुरबक जाम्बा खालामनानै जोंखौ थगायबाय थादों बेनि थाखायनो दानि गोदान गोदान लाइमोनफोर जाय गोरों गोरा जाबाय जाय आयेनखौ मिथिबाय जाय भारतनि संबिधानखौ मिथिबाय बिथांमोना दिनै जिरायनानै थानो दिनै बिथांमोना हायाखै दिनै बिथांमोना जोंनि लिडार दैदेनगिरिफोर थगायजानायखौ नायनानै थानो हायाखै बिनि थाखायनो फिन खेबसे सोमावसारफिननांगौ होननानै बिथांमोना बड'लेण्ड फरायसा आफाद दानानै बनसुखौ दानानै फिन खेबसे सोमावसारफिनदों दा बर' माहारियारि फरायसा आफादनि गिबिसिन लं स्टेन्डिं डिमान्डआ जाहैबाय The long-standing demand of the Bodo National Students Union is the creation of bord'l state with the provision of interline permit on entering to the proposed bord'l state by the non-state people. This proposed demand of Bodo National Students Unions and our honorable frontal Bodo organizations is from Songkosta Surya, the northern part of Brahmaputra and the foothills of Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. This is the long-standing demand of our proposed Bord'l separate state, and we are also demanding Bodo regiment in Indian Army. And this is also long-standing demand of the Bodo people, not only the Bonsu, Bodo National Students Union, or our frontal Bodo organizations. And we are also demanding scheduled tribes, hills, in the state of Assam, in the 6th Scheduled Council, in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the Mahasa Autonomous Council. And we also demanding to stop fake encounters, stop illegal killing of the Bodo youth by the Assam government, since we have signed recently a BTR Accord in 2020. But after signing a peace agreement with the National Democratic Front of Bodoland and all Bodo Students Union, we find still the Bodos were killed in the name of encounter. There is a stage program in Assam. The innocent Bodo youth, the tribal youth in Assam were spared by the Assam police. They were charged for drugs. They were charged for extortion. They were charged for thefts. So such kinds of inhuman treatments, which is not accepted by the provision of Indian Constitution, that is illegally going in Assam. So we are appealing to the state government, to the Prime Minister, Home Minister and President of India to stop immediately such kind of discrimination against the tribal Bodo indigenous youth. And we are also appealing to the central government, our honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister, our President of India, to stop illegal eviction of the indigenous tribal people in their own land in Assam. The tribal people in Assam, they are evicted in their own land. The land that is given by the forefathers. This is very sad. Why only the tribal people are evicted? Why there is no justice for the Bodo people, the tribal people? There is no equality of law. There is no equality of justice. This is a total discrimination. This is exploitation. That is why we are demanding the separate state borderland. बेनि थाखायनो जों दिनै आलादा रायजोखौ जों दिनै बिनो बैखां जादों जोंखौ दिनै जोंनि हायावनो गावनि हायावनो आंगो आबै आबौ होलांनाय हायावनो जोंखौ होखारबाय थानाय जोंनि भारतनि आयेन नङै खालामनाय दा बैफोरबादि निफ्राय जों उदां जानो जों दिनै आलादा रायजो बेनि थाखायनो जों बायद'था जादों. Until and unless if the separate state is not granted for the Bodo people, carving out of Assam, then such kinds of illegal treatment, such kind of inhuman treatment, exploitation, oppression and depression will continue in Assam. So because of such kinds of discriminations and exploitations, they compel us to demand separate state, carving out of Assam, as per the Article 2 and 3 of the Constitution of India. लोगोसे जोंनि थांनाय बिटिआर सुक्तिनि उनावहाय जोंहा बर' कसारी वेलफेयार काउन्सिल मोनसे जादों. बर' कसारी वेलफेयार अटोनोमास काउन्सिल was created after Bodoland Territorial Council peace agreement, and as per our demand, we are demanding the Bodo tribals, Bodo people, those who are remaining us, those who are remaining outside the proposed Bodoland areas, to upgrade their council into a 6th schedule council under the Article 244A of the Constitution of India. So this is the long-standing demand of the Bodo people. Now Bodo National Students Union is the only Bodo organizations formed for the movement and for the attaining the long-cherished dream of the Bodo people. So we are demanding the separate state, carving out of Assam because of this inhumanitarian treatment, because of exploitation, because of state motherly treatment, because of oppressions. And now we have seen in Assam as Bodo language in 2003 under the 6th schedule agreement we have attained the Bodo language as national language under the 8th schedule. Now this 8th schedule, the national language in Assam is now a secondary language. We don't have any equal representation. Our language under the 8th schedule national language is now a associated language in Assam. So this is a total discrimination. And we have since in Assam we have two national languages, Assamese and Bodo. And now those people, the tribal people, if they do not know the Assamese language, then they will not get job in Assam. So this is a total discrimination. In Assam, Mizoram and Nagaland and Meghalaya was created on the basis of this negligence. When the Assamese language was imposed in the hills districts of Assam, then Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland, then they protested and they demanded separate state. In the same case, for the tribal, one of the greatest plain tribe and the largest plain tribes for the people, the Assamese language was imposed by the government. And if the Bodo tribal people, if they fail to know the Assamese language, then they will not get any government job. So this is a total discrimination. Then why then Bodo language is regarded in the 8th schedule? We are also having the same status with the Assamese language. Then why such kinds of discriminations? So all these things, discrimination made us to stand and fight for the long cherished dream of the Bodo people. दा बेफोरबादि नासयनाय नेवसिनायनि थाखायनो जोङो दिनै आलादा रायजो सोमावसारनायनि थाखाय जों दिनै गसंनांगौ जानानै फैदों. गेदेमा रायजो राजा नोंथांमोन आरो आंनि बन्सुनि बिग्रायारि लोगो नोंथांमोन आरो आंनि आंगोनि मानगोनां डिगनिटारिस आरो आलासि लोगो नोंथांमोना दिनै जोंनि बे जन्तर मन्तराव जारिमिनारि नैथि खेब दिनै बड'लेण्ड सोमावसारनाय बन्सुनि बेनाराव जाय सोमावसारनाया 2020 बिटिआर शक्तिनि गेजेरजों जोबनानै थांबायमोन बर'फोरनि सिमाङा दिनै सिमां बादि जानानै थांबायमोन बर'फोरनि दे मुंख्लंफोरनि जे सिमां बै नखराव खस्थ' मोननाय जाय बिमा बिफाफ्रा मावरिया रान्दि जानांबाय जाय बर' गथ'फ्रा मावरिया जानांबाय बैफोरबादिनि सिमाङा दिनै जोबनानै थांबायमोन सिरि सिराय जाबायमोन बर' जोंनि इन्टेलेक्चुवेल्सफ्रा आफादफ्रा दिनै खुनु मोनसे खोथा बुंनो थाखाय सरकारनि एगेन्स्टआव हालियामोन नाथाय बनसुआ जेब्ला जोनोम जाफिनो बे थांखिखौ लानानै जों नांफिननो ओंखारो अब्ला गासैबो आफादफोर जोंनि मेलेम टिभि दैदेनगिरि आफादफ्रा दिनै बिखा फोथारनानै आलादा रायजोनि थाखाय सोमावसारफिनो बुंफिननो थाखाय बिथांमोना हाफिनदों बिनि थाखायनो आङो गिदिमा रायजो राजा नोंथांमोनखौ आरो मुंख्लंफोरखौ आरो गासैबो जोंनि इन्टेलेक्चुवेल्सफोरखौ जोंखौ मदद होनायनि थाखाय जोंखौ बोर सारस्रिनानै बिसिम जोंखौ मोसासाबोरै नेरनानै बिखा फोदान बे दिल्लीनि बिखायाव जोङो आवाज होनो हानायनि थाखाय नोंथांमोनखौ साबायखर बावो आरो खेबसेबाव बर' माहारियारि फरायसा आफादनि जानानै जोंनि जि मोनसे डिमान्ड बे डिमान्डआ लिगेल डिमान्ड बे लिगेल डिमान्डखौ जों मोगथां महर होनो थाखाय जों गासैबो गेदेमा रायजो राजा नोंथांमोनखौ लानानैनो जों जयैनो जों खौसेयैनो जों आवाज होलांगोन जों खेबसेयैनो जोङो दिनै जोंनि लं स्टेन्डिं डिमान्ड बे डिमान्डखौ जोङो जाफुंसार होनो थाखाय जों जानजि खाफ्रालांगोन जय बर' हारिनो जय बर' हारिनो